going on YouTube? This is BXMama718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I have the Lenovo Legion S600 gaming station. That's right, I got this to go with my H600 wireless gaming headset, and the main reason for it is because it offers wireless charging to the headset, and it also has a QI charging base for charging cell phones or even mice or any other devices that uses the QI charging base. So I'm just going to show you around this and get it unboxed and go from there. Right. So on the front we see S600 gaming station. It says wireless QI charging, contact charging for headset, and USB port extension. All right. Now on this side, you just have the Lenovo Legion logo. Okay. At the top, there's nothing. On this side, all right, you have the S600 gaming station with a nice little image on it. I like these black boxes with these images on it. That's pretty cool. All right, and then on the back, you have all of this: Lenovo Legion's S600 gaming station, connectivity, 1.5 meter data cable, USB-A to USB Type-C, ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, QI wireless charging, up to 10 watts, compatible devices, QI supported devices, magnetic contact charging, output is 5 volts and 1 amp. Compatible devices, the Lenovo Legion H600 wireless gaming headset, and that's what I have, what you see here on this image right here. All right, once in the box, you have the S600 gaming station, 45 watt AC wall adapter, data cable, USB-A to USB-C, and user manual. So note, headset, USB receiver, and phone not included. Well, I didn't think it would be, but okay. Guess some people will be misled by that. All right, so we have premium build quality, durable metal arm, and non-slip rubberized base. Contact charging, designed for supported Lenovo Legion wireless headsets. Always on power, contact wireless, and USB ports. 2 USB ports, connect wireless receivers or other external USB devices, and wireless charging up to 10 watts for QI compatible devices. All right, so let's go ahead and crack this open. This is in a very big box. I was not expecting the box to be this big, but you know, it is what it is, I guess, right? Okay, let's take this seal sticker off. Let's see what we're working with. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and move this up some. Get a much better view. All right. Looks like this stuff is jostled out. I don't know. Very strange. This is a Type-C to Type-A USB cable. Nothing else in there. Here's 2 hard foam holding it. And let's move the box aside. Okay, so we have this piece comes off, and then we have the base foam. Move that aside. Plastic. And there it is. Turn it here so you can see it. Here you have the Lenovo Legion logo in the center. There is a, oh, look at that, plastic covering the base that I'm going to take off. Here at the top, you have the metal contacts for wirelessly charging the headset. On the back, you have the Lenovo Legion logo. At the bottom, some regulatory information. And this thing feels really solid and high quality. Very, very solid, very high quality. And then you have the cable right here. Let's see what else is in this box. All right, so we have an instruction manual here. And then you have, what's this? Service, support, and warranty pamphlet. And then you have your USB, let me see, nope, not USB, it's a barrel charging cable, 45 watts to the wall. And that's about it. So I wonder, I think you can connect this to the PC, if I'm not mistaken, and charge it that way. So right here on the base is your USB Type A port. On the side here, this right here is your charging port. Okay. On this side, there's nothing. Okay. On the back is another USB Type A port. All right, and I guess that's it. So this is a very solidly built product. I like the metal arm, the QI wireless charging base. If I have a device, I'll use it. My current phone, the Asus ROG Phone 5, does not have QI charging. My LG V60 ThinQ does, but I don't use that phone anymore. But other than that, I mainly got it just so I can put the headset on, the charge it wirelessly, and just pick it up when I want to use it instead of worry about the battery dying and having to charge it with a cord. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. This was the Lenovo Legion S600 gaming station, and it's a solidly built product. I'll test it over time, and if it's good, you won't hear back from me. But if it's bad, I definitely will speak on it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Peace.